Hi, I'm Miss Swenson. We're going to have some fun with liquid nitrogen. First of all, I want to tell you that liquid nitrogen boils at a minus 196 degrees Celsius. That is minus 321 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, this is the same stuff that you might have seen when you had your wort frozen off. They also use it for cooling heavy machinery. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Pouring some into a beaker. You can see it is boiling right away because we are way above that minus 196 degrees Celsius. And already the beaker is quite cold. I'm going to pour a bunch of it into here. I'm going to show you a couple cool things. Whew. The little droplets kind of sting just a little bit. And I always tell students, if you stuck your hand in it for a while and then hit it on the counter, your flesh would break off because it is so cold it freezes everything that has water in it. Flowers are really cool. I'm going to show you what happens to our smiley, happy face balloon. He's not going to be happy for much longer. Because the liquid nitrogen is so cold, it rapidly slows down those particles inside the balloon so much that the balloon ends up looking like this after only a few seconds. It always looks a little creepy. It's coming back to life. Now the air particles are speeding back up again in room temperature, and they're colliding with the walls of the balloon, and he's back to life, sort of. Another thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to throw in a racquetball. It was once bouncy, fun to play with. It's not going to be after a couple minutes of being in the liquid nitrogen. We're going to keep it under there. Other cool things to do with liquid nitrogen, if you put some over food like graham crackers or marshmallow and eat them, you'll see that nitrogen vapor coming out of your nose and mouth. You kind of look like a fire-breathing dragon. It's kind of creepy, but fun. And if you put it in a tea kettle, because it's boiling, it'll instantly start screaming, which is also really cool. Rubber duckies are fun, and you can have a lot of fun with this stuff. You do have to be careful because it is so cold. Even these tongs get very cold. Check this out. I'm going to be dropping the racquetball onto the ground with a little bit of force. And it's a sad racquetball. I'm Miss Swenson. That was fun with liquid nitrogen.